First thing first, I went ahead and rinsed my liver in some cold water. Now I'm getting ready to add some buttermilk and let it soak for about 10 minutes. This is what I do. Everybody don't cook their liver the same. I add buttermilk. It draws more of the blood out of the liver, and it's been 10 minutes. I removed my liver from the milk. Now I'm getting ready to season. I have onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. While my oil is heating, I will go ahead and just batter my liver. It's really fragile, so you want to be very careful with it that you don't tear it. And I have the same thing that I seasoned it with. The same thing is in the flour that I am battering it with. Now that my oil has heated, we're going to go ahead and start frying. You only want it to fry about 2 minutes on each side. Now that our liver has fried, I fried it about 4 minutes total. Let's get ready to make the gravy. I'm going to dice a whole onion for my gravy. In that same pan, I'm going to add my diced onions and let those saute for a while. About 3 to 4 minutes until they get a little translucent. After about 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of flour and let that cook and saute in with my onions. You want to let it brown just long enough to cook the flour. You don't want that flour taste. And then go ahead and add your beef broth. If the beef, after you add the beef broth, it may look a little bit thick, you can go ahead and add in a little water at the time. Don't add in too much. You don't want your gravy too soupy, and you don't want it too thick. Okay, we'll go ahead and add a little bit more salt and pepper. And we're gonna go ahead and add our liver back in the pot. Once you get all your liver back in the pot, make sure it's covered good with the gravy and let it simmer about 5 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, we'd really appreciate your support. Go ahead and tap that like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might enjoy it too. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell set to all so you'll always know when a new PattyKakes Kitchen video is ready for you.